Dile que la única cosa buena que nos dejó el Che Guevara era fumar tabaco con miel.
Every time Che Guevara smoked tobacco, he put tequila,
Miel.
honey. He put honey on the end, so that the taste in his mouth was always sweet.
El Che Guevara era asmático.
Okay.
La miel te protege la boca, te protege la garganta.
Throat and his mouth. So this is
Tobacco,
a tobacco drying shed.
And a transplant.
Then you plant.
Tobacco grows in all places.
Yeah.
In Cuba, in the US, in China, in Africa. If you planting tomatoes, listen, tomatoes in your house. Tomatoes grow, planting tobacco, grow. Tobacco, tomatoes, same family, Solanaceae. The same weather condition. Our tobacco is like grape for wine. Only special places, quality is good. Tobacco is difficult. Good quality. Flavor, smell, color, it depends on different special condition. A special condition, not the best condition. So for example, Pinar del Rio, the province.
Soil.
Soil. Yeah. The Pinar del Rio,
This
province. It's not the best soil in Cuba, no more effective. It's the best for tobacco in the world. Because the soil have a special nutrients, special mineral, a special pH for tobacco.
Yeah.
Mañanita, libra de pies, centro fino, centro grueso, corona, crown, top is the best. And when you make one cigar, Coiba, Romeo and Juliet, Partagaz, Monte Cristo, blended, combining. Top is the best. Small, more darker, receive the sun all time is the best. Flavor. If you make one cigar and you don't put the leaf at top, inside, cigar, no flavor. At the middle of the plant, the leaf is big, elastic, beautiful. All side, rubber. The bottom of the plant, the leaf is dry, yellow, not receive the sun. At this leaf, no flavor, is very important because it's a combustion cigar. You put a fire cigar and cigar. At a different cigar, different brown, different combination, different proportion. If you like one cigar, strong flavor, Coiba, Partagaz, you combine it, all the leaf are inside, you put more percent leaf. Top. The different cigar woman, cigar for ladies, Romeo and Juliet, light, sweet, combine it, are more percent leaf, middle, bottom, left, top. Okay? And Romeo and Juliet cigar woman is a romantic cigar and aphrodisiac. Be careful. Yeah, here in Cuba, our farmer take 10, 12 children. One cigar, you combine it tonight, for example, one cigar, 5 mojitos, everything is possible. Right, check about that.
Looks good, Mel.
Honey on the end. Torch.
When you smoke one cigar, it's only by flavor. 2-3 seconds, take the flavor, never keep it inside, never in it. One cigar, 2 cigars a week, no problem.
The cigar three part: filler, bundle, and wrapper for outside the cigar. Put the filler inside the bundle. Now it's the factory for the government, for the factory. The uses the big machine, the name is press for cigar. Here not possible the uses machine. The uses one leave the paper for press. Press one by hand. Put the cigar for paper, for 5 hours for paper, for good press, and 20-25 minutes the sun for dry. For the sun absorb for the humidity for the leaf. After, put it for the wrapper. The leaf for the wrapper is a special leaf. After 4-5 hours for group press, 20-25 minutes the sun for dry. Put in the special leaf for outside the cigar. You put in the box closed inside the one plastic bag closed in your house in the refrigerator. The bottom you put it for the fruit and the salad. 4 years, no problem for conservation. The cigar smoking before in Cuba, Fidel. The good quality cigar, the good cigar. Only one for the shop Cuba. The price is $113 for one.
Wow.
130 for one?
$113 for one.
How much is this one?
And here, the box is 10 cigar, the price is $120. It's $12 for one.
Whoa.
Monte Cristo, number 2 Pyramid, Torpedo. 2 years the best cigar in the Festival de La Habana in Cuba. Only one for the shop Cuba, the price is $135 for one. And here is 10 cigar for 120. Where you from?
U.S.
Did you say
Okay,
back here
only for US,
rather
only
than somewhere else?
only use possible, only buy cigar, only for the farm.
Yeah.
Since you buy for the government, confiscation for the Costa House.
So how do you tell the customs that?
Because it
There's
has
no
no
bands.
bands
There's
and
no
it's a
label.
handmade box. No label, handmade
No
box.
labor, no brown. Support the people Cuba.
And they should know that. Then I mean, it's
Yep.
or
And
you
Since
gotta
you
convince
buy,
them of that.
since you buy for the government,
And you took
yes,
a picture of the
confiscation
guy
the Costa House.
and
Yeah.
you